Dolphin Sleek, works with Android Find My Device. Meet Dolphin Sleek, the ultra-slim Bluetooth tracker for Android designed to help you find what matters most. In the box, you'll find your Dolphin Sleek tracker and a quick start guide, everything you need to get started. Powering on and fast pair. To activate, press and hold the button on your Dolphin Sleek until you hear a gentle beep and see the light blink. Your tracker is now ready to pair. Your Android phone instantly detects it and shows a fast pair pop-up within seconds. Tap Connect, then Agree, and continue to link Dolphin Sleek with your Google account. Enable location permission and rename tracker. After pairing, you'll be prompted to download Google's Find Hub app if you don't already have it. Ensure location permission is enabled. This allows your tracker to appear accurately on the map. When setup completes, tap Open App to view your Dolphin Sleek Loca card in Google's Find Hub app. You can also rename your Dolphin Sleek Loca card. For example, name it Wallet, Keys, or Bag for easy recollection. Smart features. Once connected, Dolphin Sleek seamlessly integrates with Google's Find My Device network, offering powerful tracking features. Locate on map, view your item's live or last seen location. Find nearby and play sound. The proximity radar shows when you're getting closer to your Dolphin Sleek, and you can play a loud 98 dB beep to find it easily. Share with family. Share your tracker with multiple Android devices so trusted members can also locate or ring it. Network assistance. Even if it's out of range, millions of Android devices in the Find My Device network can help locate it securely. Battery life. Dolphin Sleek supports wireless charging for effortless power-up. One full charge lasts up to 6 months. No battery replacements required. The LED indicator shows charging status at a glance. Slim, reliable, and built for Android, Dolphin Sleek helps you find what matters wherever life takes you.